right, so I just did the customer's floors and I walked out. I got some solution left. I got half a tank left. And they're Eagles fans. It's like, no, it doesn't have anything to do with Eagles fan. I'm an Eagles fan. But I'm going to hit this area for this customer. You know what? Just because I have some material left. Getting close to the holidays. They said they have some family coming over. So I'm going to just hit it. I did a pre-vacuum here. Nothing real good, but I just did a nice pre-vacuum. I want to see if we can get these stains up. So stick with me. This is our pea solution that we're using. All right, so I hit the area with our cleaner. And I'm not that mad at this. I don't no idea how that long this has been down. Like I said, it's not a restoration job. It was just a little common courtesy thing. It looks a lot better. I think the customers want to be happy. In the camera, it doesn't look as dark. It's more pixelation in the camera. So that's why you can see it looks a lot darker. Camera's a lot better than our actual eyes. But so that's why you see it. But in person, it looks really good. We're staying tuned. We're locking the door and heading out. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like what you see, give us a comment and share or like on our comment. Like, share, and comment. If you want some type of something you like to see, and of course, be clean professional. I'd like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us. We don't know you. But we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings.